Hello friends, so welcome back. So in this video we are going to cover Microsoft OneDrive. So what is a OneDrive and why we need to use this OneDrive so far. So first of all, as usual, we need to log on to our Outlook web. So you can directly log on to OneDrive. So if you want, you can click on this tile. So from here you need to select OneDrive. So this is like a OneDrive which there is few files and folder which I have uploaded 3 hours ago. So now first we talk about what is the so from here you can search anything in this directory. So from here, if we talk about new, so in new panel we can create a new folder, we can create a new Word document, Excel, PowerPoint, and all the possible document which are available in Microsoft Suite. So in the next tab there is the upload tab. So when we click here we can directly upload files or folder. So there is a flow, so you can create a flow, see your flow. So here is a sync. So if you want you can directly sync your data locally with your computer, we'll talk about later. So this is the current files. So if we click on recent, so you see there is nothing right now because I didn't open any file. So here you can see if I have shared any file, and see I have shared file test1 and 2 days ago, and this is modified by this another person as is showing as a guest contributor. So here is a recycle bin. So if you deleted any file accidentally or manually, so you have a possibility. If you are using a personal OneDrive, Microsoft keep those deleted file for 30 days. If you are using a OneDrive for business, then it keeps your deleted data in recycle bin for 93 days. So if we click on file, for example, if I'm going to delete this file, so here is showing the Office 365. Are you sure you want to delete this item to the site recycle bin? Yes. So now this folder is deleted from my files, and this will be available in recycle bin. So this was the original location, and this was created by Raman and deleted by Raman, and day deleted. Everything is mentioned here. So next thing, so the next thing, for example, I'm working on this file and I want to share this file with my colleague. So how I can do that? When you select this file, you can see so many options in the tab. First is a open. You can directly open this file or edit this file. Second tab is a share. The share select item with other people. So if I click here, I have an opportunity to enter the name of that person. For example, I'm going to share this file with Naveen. Here I'm going to enter the message. So you can directly send it, or you can copy like a copy link, and you can share it by email or by your social sites like a Facebook, Twitter, anything. So we'll talk about another steps. So I'm going to share this file with Naveen, and bit local key off. HRPC. So here you can open a Outlook and this will send and give you an opportunity to you can create a email. So I'm going to click send. So now the BitLocker is sent to that person. So now you can see the status is changed in the sharing tab is showing that shared. So Naveen is I will be out of office. Okay. So once you share this file, this will be available for that person. So for example, how I can manage the permission. For example, if I have shared any file with my colleague and how I can stop that sharing and how I can change the permission. So you click on share tab. It's not showing here. Let refresh. So for example, if I want to change the sharing permission, I need to open that file. I think I shared this one. Okay, click share. So from here you can click manage access. So this is the owner and here you have a opportunity to stop sharing or you can click on grant access, and if you want you can give a two type access, can view or can edit. So if you want you can stop the sharing. This will be delete all link giving access to item and remove people with direct access to the stop sharing. Click close. So now it's showing that this is a private. So if we talk about why we need to use a OneDrive, so OneDrive keep your data as a private until you not share with your colleagues. So another thing, Microsoft give you an opportunity and Microsoft OneDrive support up to 270 extension, so you can upload any type of document. There is no any restriction like you can't upload mp4 mp3 or a jpg file. So Microsoft supported 270 extension, so you can upload your all possible data into the OneDrive. And the second thing, you can access your data from anywhere in the world. For example, if you have saved some document in OneDrive in your office and after that you want to open that document from your mobile, so you can directly open the OneDrive and open that file and complete your task, and you can share the file, you can send an email or you can update the document as per your requirement. So another thing, you can download the file directly from the web to your local PC. You can delete, you can move. For example, if I want to move this file to this Windows 10 folder, I need to click on move. Sorry, it's not showing me. Copy to, I think, no. Or you can directly drag that file to particular folder. So now you can see the file is moved to the OneDrive. So another thing, when you select the, you can rename the file, you can check the history, version history. So for example, if you want to working on your document on regular basis and you want to restore that particular time and particular date, so how you can do that? So Microsoft keep version history as a like a backup copy of your file. So for example, if I have select this file, so I click on version history. So this will create all the version history whenever we change the document. So 3 hour ago I have changed this document. So for example, I want to restore this file as a 3 hours ago. So I need to click here. I can see what information I have updated at that time. So if I want to restore this file as a 3 hour ago, I need to select the three dot, and from here I need to click on version history, and here I have a ability to restore this document. Now if you can see, I have back to my classic OneDrive. So when you click here, you will see there is a proper link of your file, and another thing, there is a open, share, follow, or when you click here you can see like a version history. So click on that. So now you can see all the like a detail whenever you change your document. So here when you click here you will see that view or restore. When you click on restore, so cannot restore. So now if you can see, when I want to recover this file, I need to click file. From here I need to click on these three dots, click version history. So I have a two restore point at this moment. One is for 3:58 a.m. or second is a 7:3 a.m. So I want to restore this file as a 3:30. So click on restore. So this site says you are about to replace current version, that is selected version. Okay. So now you can see I have all the version history. So one is like a 3:50 a.m., 7:30 and 7:06. So in this way we can restore our file at the restore point. So the next thing, we'll click on document. So the another thing, there is a sync option. So what is the actually sync? So how it's work? So when you click here, did you mean to switch this app? Yes, I have already installed Microsoft OneDrive app application on my this computer. When I install the Office 365 from internet, it OneDrive is also installed automatically. So yes. So now you can see here we have a tab or OneDrive that we need to enter here your username and password, then click sign in. Add files here, so you can access file them from other device and still have them on this PC. So if you want, you can change the location. So by default OneDrive is going for C user Deepak OneDrive, and if you want you can change it, but I'm leaving it as a default. Click next. So now it's loading list of folders and files. It's totally depend upon your internet speed. So as my internet is working too slow, so it's taking too much time, so I'm cancel this. So we'll talk about how we can sync data or OneDrive. So now it's almost done. So here you can see now you are syncing OneDrive data with the OneDrive. Oh, this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete some files because this is a heavy data which I don't want to sync more locally. So now you can see I have a three files in my OneDrive. One is a BitLocker, another one is a separate sheet, and the third one is a Word document. So now I'm connected with my hotspot. So if I see OneDrive is up to date, so if I click my computer, here you can see that OneDrive is, so this is the path OneDrive the Sumbria. So now you can see how this works. So now you here you can see this is a cloud icon. That means this file is on cloud at this moment. If I disconnect from internet, I can't view this file. So for example, if I am going to create new file, like I want to open ppt test file. So I have created this file. So now you can see the status is tick. That means this is a up to date in local computer. So how I can get these three files locally on my computer? So right click here, choose always keep on this device. So now it starts syncing and synced. So in this way you can sync all the files which you want to access locally. And now you can see I'm going to change something locally. Now I'm going to update this worksheet. So now I'm going to disconnect my Wi-Fi. So now you can see I don't have an internet connection on my laptop. So I'm going to open this file. I don't know. It's taking too much time. Leave that Excel or PowerPoint. I'm going to create a new text file. Test 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now I'm entering data locally on my computer and I don't have an internet or connection on this computer. So let's see how this save automatically in OneDrive. So now you can see it's trying to sync with OneDrive, online OneDrive. So I'm going to reconnect with my internet. So now you can see that syncing is start and this file is synced automatically. So how I can view this file on my OneDrive? So open OneDrive. So here I need to click refresh, or you can choose a F5. So here you can see I have a file which I have created on my local computer without internet, and let's try to open it. So now you can see all the data which I have entered locally in this file without internet is automatically synced to my OneDrive, and now it's showing OneDrive is up to date. Now you can see the magic. I'm going to edit this file. So for example, if I am going to update anything, so when I click on save button, it will start sync automatically. Like, hello. When I click on save, you can see it's automatically start syncing. See, so it's processing changes. So that means whenever you update anything locally, that will automatically sync up with your cloud. If you change anything on cloud, that will automatically sync on all the devices where you have a OneDrive installed. So you can install OneDrive up to 5 devices on your mobile, your tab, your MacBook, or your laptop, or your device, any device, any other device. So in this way, you can edit or sync data locally on your computer. So what else? So for example, if we talk about the search box, so for example, if I have a thousand of file in my computer, so I need to search any like a randomly file. I want to open my test file. So simply search that file. So this will give you the result related to that keyword files. Like I have a test file 3. So here you can also choose a filter. For example, I'm going to filter a text file only. So this will show me only the text file. So if you want, you can clear the filter and go back. So from here you can change the layout. As I have a list view right now, if you want to change, you can change it with contact. Compact list, you can use a tiles. So this is a filter, and here you can get the help if you want. If you click on your name, you can click on your account, you can change your picture, you can sign out from OneDrive. Here you can get a help. You can open the community legal privacy cookies. Under setting, you can change your password. You can restore your OneDrive. Here you can manage all other apps like Office 365, Mail, Calendar, People, Yammer. So if you go to click, for example, if I'll click to this site setting, here you can see so many things related to your OneDrive settings. So for example, if I want to see my file size on OneDrive, how I can do that? So you need to click on site setting. From here you need to click on storage metrics. So here you can see what file I have on my OneDrive and what is their size. So it's a 1 KB, 1 KB, this, or if we click on document, here we have all the document which we have created, like a text, we have created test txt file that is a 1 KB and all the stuff. So friends, this is all about OneDrive. If you have any question about OneDrive, how we can use a OneDrive and why we need to use this OneDrive. So OneDrive, if you are start using a OneDrive, you no need to keep external storage with you like a pen drive or hard drive. So you can access your data from anywhere. You sh there is only one condition: you should have a working internet connection. That's it. If you have a working internet connection, you can open a web browser, any web browser, open a OneDrive, sign in with your account and password, and you can get all the stuff which you have in your OneDrive. So can this is the best way to keep your data safe and secure. That is a OneDrive. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this YouTube channel and do comment if you have any question. Also let me know if I have missed anything. So thanks for watching this video.